Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, we just got the hd60x elgato capture card. It's brand new. This is built for next gen consoles. And as you can see reading on the box, you got that 4K HDR pass-through, 1080p 60 HDR capture, and PS5 and Xbox. And as you can tell, high frame rate, ultra low latency, USB 3.0 interface, HDR10 mapping, audio input, HDR10 capture, and this also actually does have 4K 30 as well. And it has a 4K 60 HDR10 pass-through, unfiltered creativity, flashback recording, and VRR, variable refresh rate. So let's get into the unboxing. Really simple to unbox, even though it's been a little open, just to make sure the package is in there and whatnot. And here it is. So I'll just simply open that up. Here it is, telling you what to do basically. Get rid of the paper, and of course there it is. You have a USB 3 cable, and this is a USB Type-C if I'm not mistaken, the HDMI, and the actual thing itself, which is really tiny to be honest. Thought it was actually a lot larger. So as you can tell, HDMI in and out. Hold up, yeah, it's not zoomed. Oh, there it is. HDMI in and USB-C, HB out. That's the audio thing. So there's that. Also, looks like we got a little sticker with it and a little manual. That's about it. So there it is. This thing is built for next gen. I'm not sure if my PC is actually capable of doing one of these captures and stuff. I know it could do like a remote play, but I'm not entirely sure if this would actually be. Might have to get a better PC, but of course I will be definitely trying this out whenever I can. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the unboxing. Very simple, very just three things that matter. It's not that big though. It's really not. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.